What inspires you? From WFSU Public Media, here's this week's Voices That Inspire.
My name is Sheri Nilles Marshall, and I teach art and gardening at Sale High School. I do feel like I have the best job in Leon County, being able to teach both those things. It's so fun. I get to do creative stuff in the classroom, and then I get to go outside and enjoy growing things with the kids, which is really fun. I really love finding for that kid what really sits with them with materials, because it's not going to be, drawing's not going to be for everybody. Some people they pick up a paintbrush and that's it, and they love it. But being able to take all of those kids and finding something that works for them. I have a lot of kids that'll come in the beginning of the year and say to me, I'm not an art person, or I'm not one of the art kids. And those are sometimes my favorite, because I'm like, okay, here's the challenge, I was like, well, we'll see about that, And so I feel like you aren't an art kid or not an art kid. I feel like there's a little bit of creativity in everybody, and it's about finding what that is for somebody. Whenever I feel that challenge of stagnation in the classroom, I'll turn to the kids a lot and ask them, what's going to do it for them? What do they want to do? What do they want to work on? If they're bored, I'm bored, And if I'm not excited about what I'm presenting to them, that nobody's going to be. I truly believe that happy teachers make happy classrooms, and kids are going to thrive better when their teacher comes in feeling like they can do it and feeling ready. The smaller the classes, the more you can connect with those kids that might get lost in the shuffle, and those kids that are going to sit in the back and not really communicate too much. And sometimes they have some really incredible things to say, and you don't hear it when there's 30 people in the room. And I really like the opportunity to be able to do that. My name is Sheri Nilles Marshall, and I am an art teacher at Sale High School.
You're listening to Voices That Inspire.